Hey Ronnie, Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
Hey everyone, today I'll be making chocolate cake. So here's the ingredients for cocoa sponge cake. I will sift the flour and cocoa powder 3 times, just to reduce the number of times I need to fold it into the whipped egg butter. But still, it's difficult for me to make a well-raised sponge cake, especially using cocoa powder. Of course, I was thinking of using baking powder, but I just wanted to try making a classic sponge cake. I think it turned out to be not bad for an amateur, so please be gentle with me. Line the cake pan with parchment paper. It's a 4-inch, it's a small cake. Preheat the oven 340 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go! Mix the egg and sugar together over a double boiler until warm like human skin. Once it's warmed, remove it from double boiler. Start beating on high speed. Until the mixture is thick, pale, and has almost tripled in volume. I think it takes about 3 to 5 minutes. It just depends on your electric mixer. Next, at low speed, just to refine the texture of the butter, it takes about 1-2 minutes. The butter should be thick enough to hold its shape. It's like you can almost write with it. Now sift the sifted flour. Gently fold the flour into the butter. Be careful not to deflate the butter. Use a gentle folding motion. Add the milk by letting it flow over the spatula. Fold it in quickly to ensure it's evenly combined. Coffee beet, one of my favorite candy since I was child. Shape the chocolate for decoration. Once the sponge cake is baked, drop it from a certain height to release the steam inside. Remove it from the cake pan and place it upside down on the rack. Cool for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip it over and let it cool for about 5 more minutes. So this is how I made cocoa sponge cake. It needs a bit more height, but it's really difficult for me, so I'll settle for this. I'm just using milk chocolate. Chop it into small pieces. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler. Once the chocolate has melted, add half the amount of heavy cream. Once it's well mixed, place it in an ice water bath. Add the rest of heavy cream and whip it. Until soft peak like this. Now let's decorate the cake. Syrup, chocolate cream, coffee beet, repeat the process. So this is how I made chocolate cake. The presentation was amateurish, but it tasted delicious. So let's eat! Okay, thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!